Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with a really quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S22 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable fast charging and super fast charging. Okay, so I'm just going to plug in my charger and take you all to the lock screen. Okay, so at the moment it's saying that it's going to take 53 minutes until full. But if you go into the settings and scroll down to battery and device care, then select battery, and then select more battery settings and enable super fast charging and fast charging. I think both of these are off by default when you get the phone fresh out of the box. So it said 53 minutes for a full charge until full charge, but now with them both enabled, it's saying 34 minutes until full charge. So yeah, guys, if your battery was taking a long time to charge, make sure you enable super fast charging and fast charging, and then the charging speed will be boosted. You won't have to wait too long. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's it for the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.